I guess I'm doing this again. Minimum window substring. We want two strings S and T. Return the minimum window substring of S such that every character in T is included into the. Okay, so they are saying is that they want a minimum window substring of S such that it includes every character in T. Okay, so this is doesn't include. Now this includes. This is good, but the size is 6. Okay, we go. Does it make sense to go forward? So how I solve a lead code problem is I struggle for like 8 to 10 minutes and then I find the solution. I just watch some video on YouTube explaining the algorithm. I think it's a waste of time struggling like 20 minutes on a problem, honestly, because if you don't know the pattern or the algorithm, you're probably not going to be able to solve it. So yeah, this is free advice to absolutely no one because no one is going to watch this anyway. So AT, okay, of course. Let me yt2 workspace. Okay, and ABC. Let's store it in map. Let's say A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. Okay. Yes. Uh, okay. A D O B E C. Now, if I go ahead, that is fine. This is also good. This is also good. But problem is when you're missing out these substrings because your left pointer is never going right. So the trick to this problem is you need to find out when to uh, go further with left pointer. So that's the trick to this problem. Pretty sure I don't know how to solve it yet, but I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to be solved. So let's try. I'm going to try for some time. uh ADOBC, okay. Now this satisfies the window, but how do I minimize it? So I'm missing all the strings. Okay, I kinda get it. So this is one string. Now here, now this is ADO, and okay, it's kind of the same, I guess. It's like when you're at 0, you are supposed to check for 0 and DA0 also. I think that's the trick. Now when you go to ADOB, okay, when you go to ADOB, there are four substrings: P, OB, DOB, and ADOB. That's a trick. So when you are here, uh, do I like find all the strings which have like uh ooh, that's a shout. But I just know the count, right? This is not the count. I need to find the exact substring. That's a tricky part of this problem. Okay, ADOBOCE. Are these fireworks? I think I'm safe. I'm in Connecticut. Okay. When I'm here. When I'm here. So this is a string, right? Satisfies it. So I need exact string. What's the time? 4 minutes. I need to stop at like 9:40. Hmm. Yeah, it says I've solved it, but I don't remember honestly. So the idea here is I need BA and C. Okay. Now when I did another problem which was similar to this, I just incremented the count. So what I get is, do I how do I get the count? I need the string and length, right? Hmm. See, I understand what you're saying. Um, I think I'll just do some obvious stuff and then find a solution. T dot length. Okay. Now when I'm here, this is one substring. Okay. So how do I get this substring? Of course, it's I n minus star plus 1, and I need to check it. Okay, I'm going to look at the solution because this is the pattern is different for this. Okay, this problem is absolutely not how I try to solve it. It's completely different. So I'll just explain it how it as it goes. Intent is and m is equal to t dot length. Now the idea is first you create like a hash is equal to new in 256. Why 256? Because that those are the total possible English letter values in integer. Okay, we need a start index int count is equal to 0, int min length is equal to integer dot max value left is equal to 0. Int right equal to, okay, yeah, you can do int right equal to 0. I can do for loop as well. I prefer for loops. For int right less than m, right less than n, right plus plus. Now this is firstly I need to for car ct dot to char hash c minus a plus plus. Yeah, that makes sense. Now what I do is, so there is one condition when our count is a, and there is one condition when if hash of c minus, okay, let's do char is equal to s dot char at right. See if hash of a is less than equal to 0. Okay, quick break this. Okay, so this is not a tutorial, by the way, so if you're watching this for explanation, just watch some another channel, I guess. So now the idea here is if it is greater than 0, of course, now here you do count plus plus. Okay, and what to do is hash of cur minus a minus minus. uh, okay, I do this, and now I do while count is equal to m. Now this is a condition where the sub array is good. We want that sub array, it has all the characters which are present in t. It makes sense, right? So this will run when, like, for this a b c all will be 1, and now the count will be 3. So now what we do is, when count is equal to m, first of course we have to do l plus plus. That is, of course, makes sense. But now here comes the main trick. If right minus left plus 1 is less than min length. Okay, min length is equal to right minus left plus 1, and start index is equal to left. This makes sense. Now, regardless, we have to do hash of, let's do char left char is equal to what, there are two strings now, s and t. S dot char at s dot char at left. Yeah, this makes sense. Hash of left char minus a, left char minus a, I have to do plus plus. Okay, and now there is another case. If the value of left char minus a is still greater than 0, so that means that it's still a valid string. Then we just do count plus plus. Okay, and now what do we do? So this is looks good. Now return, we have to return a substring, s dot substring from start index to which index? To start index plus count na, min length plus min length. Now there's going to be so many bugs in this. I know. Of course you can't find it. Left. Okay, is it like interesting. Index of minus 32. Yeah, this makes sense. Okay, maybe I don't have to do this. I don't know. Hash of C plus plus, maybe. Yeah, this is not my strongest point, looks like. Okay, of course this is wrong. I need to check this online. Again, I'm pausing the video. Okay, looks like I was correct. I don't need this. I went to good old ChatGPT and searched the problem. Now this is the tricky. I should read compiler. So it's saying out of order length. Now return. I just return a ternary. Return. Okay. Min length is equal to integer dot max value. Thermo return this or return this. That's the trick. Did I update this? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What? Okay. I need to check again where I'm wrong. If n is smaller than can hash killer, char stir right killer, hash killer, count right yes. Char left char hash left char. आता ह्याच्यात काय चुकलं? I'll just ask what is wrong now. Couple, the counter should be used to count how many. Oh, okay. The count minus minus होत नहीं है. That is one thing I observed. So okay, I need to pause it. See, you really need to think when you are writing code. Every line you need to think like 2 times at least. See, it was simple, this one. And we are done. Voila. This was a hard one, but I'm glad I was able to solve it. I have no idea what I achieved from this video, but if you liked it, give a like. Yes. Bye bye.